19 what I'm used. Let's go see. Tomato, onion, garlic, cilantro and root cilantro, green onion, soup of pork bag. The chili, this is make noodle delicious. Chili put in the noodle soup. Bean sprout, pickle, pork chop, red pork. I use red pork different kind red pork because I like this red pork. And I don't know this is English called what. This is a flour. Only one I know in English called flour. I don't know the name. In Thai it's called dog Ngiao. Dog Ngiao. And last one what I'm used the garlic fried garlic and Vietnamese noodles. Let's go see. Let's go cook. Let's go see. And put water. We gotta cook this first time, make the soup delicious. And then cilantro roots put inside. Pork base and salt. We make bread. Time to chop. Busy. Gotta mix. Chop. I don't have bang. I will do like that all the time. Onion need to make me cry again. All the time if I use onion I gotta cry again. My soup start to boil and I will put this inside. I gotta make bread for 1 hour. This in top, got it. We don't use this in top. Then taste out. Bean sprout. This chili inside and people put in garlic, onion, chili, everything inside so spicy. Let's go! What's that? Start garlic first. try this. If I can smell garlic and chili or garlic and onion, I will put this chili. See? And time to put my chili. My family, everyone my family like this noodle soup, like my style. This is my style. Who hungry? My chili, come with me. Come this way. As a new chili in my nose, time to put chopped pork. Tomato inside. Easy. And this is done, and I will time to put the soup inside soup. Time to put noodle. Gotta take my noodle, so make cold. The water cold. You have to put the water cold. It's hot. Be careful, okay? It's already ready. Let's eat. And the top, we gotta put bean sprout and pickle a little bit. And the green onion, cilantro, and the crispy garlic. Let's go eat together. Let's try what I miss. Maybe I want to put chili again. So delicious. So I need chili more. Wow, so delicious. My noodle soup. If you like my video, don't forget like, subscribe, share. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.